All right, guys, welcome to Shopping with Shana. I may be completely crazy, but I'm grabbing all of this for the clearance event at Dollar General. Oh my goodness, let me show you everything I'm getting. All right, so something to look for are the tables up front. I've actually been here for a while, so quite a bit of stuff is gone. There was a bunch of us that came in right when it opened, but a lot of times they've got everything ready to go for you. It's an extra 50% off of whatever the original price is. So for instance, this is normally priced or on clearance for $6.15. It's $3.07. There is a $2 off coupon for this product, so it's going to be even cheaper. I've got one of these in my cart. This whole table was filled, and then there's these tables over here, carts. All of this is 50% off. Tide, 50% off here. I've got one in my basket. Everything you can imagine. And then it even has stuff over there on that table for 50% off. We even have snacks here, normally on clearance for $2. This will be just $1. Candies here, 90 cents. It can be 45 cents. $2.45. The $1.20 something. I'm even seeing some popcorn and stuff down there. Then we have this table now. This was all on clearance last week. It was the brown dot. I actually showed you some of the things. So it's an extra 50% off. So this is currently $5, even though it's regularly $10, and it's going to be $2.50 now. So we've got all these blankets, and I cleared them out on their $5 blankets last week. So the only thing left here are going to be the more expensive blankets. But still, $10. This is going to be $2.50. It's a great price for these really nice blankets. $12 would be $6, so it'd be $3 now. They've also got some pillows here, things like that. Sorry. More blankets here. I know there were some $8 blankets too, but I don't see any more. They had them last week. I think they're gone. I think the only thing left is 10 and 12. And another reminder is to come find the actual clearance aisle. Even though a bunch of things will be at the front of the store, you're going to see a lot of stuff in the actual clearance aisle where you can get for half price. So looking at these bubbles here that are $1.30, they're going to be 65 cents now. $2 now for the trolls. And of course, you've got everything else back here. There's tons of stuff to grab. And the one thing I kind of want, but I don't know how to get it, is this Tide up here at the very top. It's on the clearance event too. All right, I am back home from my first shopping trip. I am planning on going to another one, but I wanted to make sure I showed you everything so you can head out to Dollar General this weekend and grab a bunch of these deals. I am super proud of everything I got. So everything basically from here on over to about the middle is going to be Santa shop stuff, and I'll talk about that in a second. But everything here I got was either for myself or I am donating several baskets for an auction for the youth trip at church. And so it's going to be, one of them is going to be like a laundry or a cleaning basket. I'm actually going to do 2 or 3 baskets, maybe more than that. But I bought some of this stuff to throw in there to kind of fill it up. And we have some really great deals. So let me show you a couple of the highlights at least. So I didn't do this in store. You should have seen the store. There were people crawling all over the place. Sorry if you see, it looks like my floor is dirty. We've painted in here. We're getting new floors this summer. And so there's like stains on here. So forgive me. But these Olay was one of my favorite deals here. These are $7.85. They're half off. Which I don't remember exactly how that goes down. I have to do math in my head real quick. But with 2 of them, it ends up being $7.85 for 2 of them. However, there was a 5 off 2 digital coupon that went with these, making both of these $2.85, which is completely crazy. So that's about $1.42, 43, something like that each. completely crazy for some of these. Really great deal there. We did have a 50-cent coupon for this, so half off of $5.85 plus a 50-cent coupon on that. Some of these I was just grabbing if they had coupons. I don't know if they're my favorite deal in the world, but I was trying to get some good deals. Caress body wash here. This was a really great one. These are $3.75, half off. And if you bought 2 of them, there was a 3 off 2 coupon for the Caress. So it makes them just 75 cents for both of them. So that's an amazing deal. This is one of my favorite deals. So this is $6.15. It's half off. These are the Dove Love body washes. I got to tell you, if you've not tried these are worth a try. So half off gets you down to about $3.07. Well, there's a $2 off coupon. So we're looking at $1.07 for one of these. I will take that any day of the week. These I thought were pretty good. They're sea salt, specific kelp, exfoliating body wash from St. Ives, just $1.25. Not a bad deal there. Cascade also had a 50-cent off coupon. I know that. So take that into consideration there. Now, the Snuggles. I ended up getting 3 of these because I thought these would be really good in these laundry basket things I'm doing. It's normally $4.50, or it's on clearance, I should say, for $4.50. So we're looking at $2.25. And we had $1 and I want to say 25 cents off coupon. Now, it only applied to one of them. I did not have one for each one of these, but still a really great deal. This Spick and Span clearance item was just $2. Now, I will say that it did not ring up. They had to fix it at the register for $1, but $1 for these. I got 4 of them. And then we also had these Glades for $1. So these were 50 cents. Another one that they had to fix at the register. I got the Arm & Hammer there for $4.50. And I got one of these great big Tides. It's normally $9.40. So we're looking at what, $4.60 for this huge Tide. All of these little Tides here. Now these are going to go in these laundry baskets that I'm doing for giveaway, or for auction, I should say. $3.15. So that's $1.57 for this. I mean, how crazy is that? That's unheard of to get Tide for that. I did grab one of these Tides, even though we don't care to use the pods. They don't dissolve all the way in our washer. We go on vacation a lot of times, and we take the pods with us to use in their washers and dryers, because we try to do more like the Verbo type thing where we're renting like a condo or something that has a way. And I'll take these to do some laundry. But anyway, $4.95 was on clearance. That is less than $2.50 there for this bag. So not a terrible deal here. Now, I found some other things. I had a whole bunch of Dove coupons too, so I'm not real sure what happened with this one. I know a bunch of coupons. I had $20 in coupons come off in the order that I did, and I'm not sure what it all attached to. I know I had a 5 there, and I know I had a 2 here and a 3 here, so that's $10 of it. But then all the rest of them were like 50 cents. So it was interesting. I'm not real sure what all came down, but I had everything loaded that I could possibly find. I did have a bunch of Dove coupons loaded, so probably attached to some of those. Now, these are really kind of cool. My daughter is having a birthday party, and I thought this would be fun to put some sugar tattoos, glitter tattoos on her friends when they come over. For under $1 to grab 2 of them. That's great. Then this was an interesting thing. So these are regularly priced $3. They were in a bin, and apparently they rang up the full price, but they honored it and gave them to me for $1.50. So I got all 5 of these. I was going to use these as party favors for her party. And then everything over here is Santa Shop. So I didn't have any coupons that went with it. Everything was 50% off, but these LA Color glitter palettes were just $1.10, as well as these LA Color like Lemon Drop. They have Berry Kiss. They had a bunch of them. There's Berry Kiss. I feel like there was another one. Peach Fizz. I was like, I know there's another kind. But all those were $1.10. These were roughly like 43 cents each, because they were 25% off on clearance, and then they were an extra 50% off. We had $2.25 for those. And these little nail kits were $1.77. I mean, how cute are these? This was in just a bin that was brought out. You can see me. The gemstones here, clearance for $3. Now, these did not ring up as half off, but they went ahead and made them half off, $1.50 each. Like I said, earlier. Those were 83 cents. All of these were on clearance for the extra 50% off. I got a lot of face masks for Santa Shop. So these were the most expensive ones. So these were $1.05, but everything else was around like $1.25 here. So that's half off, $1.40, half off. I think there was $1.30 somewhere, but really good prices. Yeah, and these were like 43 cents. I don't remember exactly what the price, but they rang up 43 cents. Anyway, lots of really great things that I got for the kids. Cannot wait to put the baskets together. I'll try to do a little video or at least take a picture and show you in the community post of everything that I'm doing. What I'm going to do now is get stuff ready for the baskets. Tag these, and I know some of you have asked me about Santa Shop before. If you look back here, so this is a lot of Santa Shop. Those are those blankets I got last week. They would have been available too this week had I not purchased them last week, but they were still going to be the same price. So I didn't lose out there. But we have all of those dots there. We put colored dots on them to indicate prices and things like that, and then I store them. And I've got, so far, this is the stuff in my house that I'm holding, but I need to take it up to school to be stored for next Santa Shop. Anyway, so excited about all of this. If you like this, give it a great big thumbs up. Make sure you share it with a friend. Run to the Dollar General and get your 50% off extra on your clearance event. Bye, guys.